Hi and welcome to my Python YouTube channel. It's awesome to have you here. If you like this video, a thumbs up would be great. And make sure to subscribe for future videos. I also have a blog at prosperocoder.com with lots of cool stuff, so feel free to check it out. In the previous part of the matplotlib series, we created a figure with an axis object on it with three functions plotted. Here it is again with comments. So matplotlib inline, so we're working with embedded graphs. The imports matplotlib, pyplot, and numpy. Here are our x values. We're using the numpy linspace function to generate 100 numbers between -10 and 10. Here are the three functions, a quadratic function, a sine function, and a linear function. Here we're creating the figure and the axis at the same time. Here we're plotting the three functions in different colors, but they're all on the same axis. We also label the two axes, x and y, and we add the legend. Our graph looks like so. But what if we wanted each function to be plotted in its own coordinate space? Fortunately, we can add as many axes as we need. Here we have three functions, so let's use three axes. Now, we have the x values and the three functions defined over here. And now, let's create the figure and the three axes. So, we can do it like this. Just like before, we're going to use the supplots function, just like here. But this time, we want the axis to be in 3 rows and 1 column. So, just like this, 1, 2, 3, below one another. And this is why we have to pass 3 and 1 for the rows and columns as the arguments to the supplots function. Fine. So now we have a figure with 3 axes. And now we have to add the plots. Now the 3 axes will be here in this variable, so we can access them using indices. So we have 3 axes, so the indices we need are 0, 1, and 2. We'll also add titles to the graphs. So here's the code. The first function will be on axis with index 0, so the first axis. The title of this will be y1 of x. It'll be in red, and here the function y1 will be plotted. Then we plot the y2 function in the second axis, so with index 1. Here's the title, and now it's going to be green, function 2, and function 3 in the last, third axis, so index 2. The title will be y3 of x, the color will be blue, and the function plotted will be naturally function 3. And now, Control Enter, and now we have this, 3 axes, each function plotted in its separate axis. Now, if you look at this, you can see that all the numbers are squeezed and this is not very readable. But don't worry about the appearance of the graphs for now. We'll make them look much better later in the series. Okay, that's it for this video. If you like it, a thumbs up would be great. Also, make sure to subscribe for future videos. If you want to leave a comment or ask a question, you're welcome to do so. Thanks for watching.